Okay, so we are live now. And let's start the session then. Let me bring the charger that we can proceed. Here. I don't seem to find my charger in this. Just give me 1 second, one more second, and that's all we need. Here you are, you bastard. Let's start sharing screen. The screen is share. Okay, so is the screen clearly visible? We are starting the session. Final call. Is the screen clearly visible? Jitendra, Anjali, Cube. Okay.
Yes, dear.
Okay. So let's start then. What we would be going to week 2 and completing all the practice questions provided by the institute themselves. Right. So the first question is write a SQL statement to find the name of manager of the team All Stars. To find the name of the manager of the team All Stars. Let me remove all of this. Right. I hope you know some basics of D.B.M.S. Let's start. Uh, what they're asking is we need to find the name of manager of the team All Stars, right? So we are given with the following. We are given with the following. Okay, my voice is clear. So we are given with the following tables. These are the tables, and these are the attributes of the table. Attribute meaning columns, right? We have match referee, teams, matches, managers, players, etc. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tables in total. So for the 6 tables, they have also provided how they are linked to each other. So match number of match referee and matches are linked together by match num. Okay, match num, and referees are linked with match referees through these three attributes. So what we need is the attribute of team and the attribute of manager, right? We need two basic attributes. So one is manager and one is team. So let's go to manager table is we have team id. Okay, let's we have team id, and in teams we have team id, so we can connect these two by performing natural join or simply just combining them. and we would find the answer of this, right? Any suggestions how we should proceed? Like we have the basic one, right? That select something. Okay, increase the size. Select something from, let's specific columns from some given tables, and which we should specify some where clauses. So what we would be selecting, what would we be selecting, tell me. Hello, tell, what would we be selecting? uh, okay, let's check. See, even I am learning. Okay, I don't know this as clearly. Even I am learning here. Okay, where was it? Week 2 question, right? Question on week 2. Week 2, okay. For week 2, I think I have the solution for this. Wait, just wait a second. Week 7 solutions, okay. Database for bonus marks. Week 3, week 3, okay, week 3. I think we have for week 2, right? Okay. So the select clause would be select manages. So okay, what we would be selecting is managers dot name. We are selecting managers dot name. Okay, from managers dot team, from managers dot teams. Actually, it's team ID, right? From managers dot team ID. I think it's I have to perform this Cartesian product, right? So let's perform a Cartesian product between managers and teams, from managers and teams, where we have, you know, the team ID of manager and the teams. So the team ID from this table and this table should match, right? So let's see. For them to match, managers dot team ID should be equal to team dot team id. Once we have that, what we need is name of the manager of the team all star. So another clause, and teams, I guess, wait a second. Yes, teams dot name, we have to choose the attribute names from team, not from manager table. Okay, it should be all stars. It should be all stars, right? Let's submit, let's see. Submission got successful. Let's see. Okay, so it is not. Okay, it is 0, right? It should be, wait a second. Okay, managers dot team, and managers and teams make the this, what, managers dot id, right? So let's run it now. Let's run it now. See, teams dot all star is wrong now. Teams dot all star is wrong. Teams dot name. Teams dot okay. Teams dot name should be equal to all stars. Mm-hmm. It's still 0. The column all stars doesn't exist. Teams dot name should be, so the attribute. See, it says that column all stars does not exist, right? But let me check. If I put single quote here, if I convert it into single quotes, will there be any difference? Okay, so single quote and double quote is a difference that we need to check. Double quotes would take it as an attribute, and single quotes would check the tuples inside the attribute. Okay, okay. Learning something new. Okay, so see, it ran, right? It ran smoothly. Now we have 100 on 100. So it would be easier. It would be easier now for us to do question number two. It would be easier to attempt question number two. Before I move forward, would you mind if I check whether the stream is going perfectly or not? Yes, because I have to check whether the stream is going perfectly or not, because it has to be recorded for the people who are not attending it right now. Not Sanchit Sharma, Suchit Sharma. See, 42 subscribers are not attending it right now. See, even I am learning. Okay, I don't know this as clearly. Even I am learning here. Okay, so let's move to question number two. Let's move to question number two. What question number two asks of us is we have to write a SQL statement to find the name of all the teams. To find the name of all the teams, right? That should be a pretty simple, control remove. That should be pretty simple. No, select star from teams data set, but we only need the name, right? So teams dot name. So we would be writing team dot name. All right. Select star meaning we are selecting all the all of the tuples inside the attribute. So we are taking teams dot name, the name attribute from team table, and selecting all of the names inside that. Right. Let's check. It is 0 on 100. What did we do wrong? Teams dot name does not exist. Relation teams dot name does not exist. Okay. So what does exist? Okay. So what I did wrong was teams dot name should come here, and we are selecting the relation teams, right? Teams is a table. Teams is a table, and we are selecting a particular attribute from that table. So we have to specify the attribute in select clause and not in from clause. From clause is for specifying the relation that we are using. Okay. See, 100 on 100. Okay. See, it's important that you know what mistakes we are doing rather than just mugging up the answers. The mistakes are to be learned more than the answers itself, because mistakes will teach you what you are most likely to do wrong, where you are most likely to go wrong. All right. Let's move forward with the practice question 3. Let me select it all. Control A, backspace. Huh? Great. So let's see. What the questions asks is write a SQL statement to find the title of the books authored by an author having first name John Paul and last name Mueller. Okay. So what are the attributes that we would be needing? Uh, Before that, let me open my pen. I need to use the pen now. I've become really uh, I've become really good at using the pen now. It's almost ready. Where did it go? Okay. Next, I accept the agreement. You have made me accept the agreement many times now. Install it. Do it fast. I don't know how many times it would have, copied and pasted. Program files 86. That is something I need to remember. Program files 86. Mm-hmm. Almost here. Yes. Let's start. You come here. All right. So, what the question asks of us is, okay, find the titles. One keyword. The second keyword is of books, authored by the third keyword author, having the first name John Paul, fourth keyword, and last name Mueller. So these are the five keywords that we need to keep in mind, right? Let's move. Keep both in the same frame. So title of the books, title of the books, author John Paul and Mueller, John Paul Mueller, and the author, right? So what are the books that we have? There any? Okay, so this is a table containing book, right? And book catalog. This one book catalog has the title of the books, as you can see here. So we would be combining. We would be, making Cartesian product of these two tables. Once we do that, I think we would be needing, okay, no, 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 author F name and author L name, meaning author first name and author last name. We have both. See, we would be needing only these two. All right, so let's move. As always, let's write our select from where clauses. All right, let's define from first. Where would we selecting it from, right? From so we would be selecting it from these two: book catalog and book author. The Cartesian product of book underscore author, authors, comma, underscore catalog, book underscore catalog, spelling Logue. Okay, Logue, catalog. Okay, so we have made Cartesian product from both. We need the name, right? The book title. Select. Let me also introduce one more thing as let's call it X, and let's call this as Y, right? Let's try even that. Naming the relations. So we would be taking title from book catalog. That is y dot title, really y dot title, where, so the where clause is ISBN number should be same for both, where x dot ISBN number, ISBN underscore number equals to y dot ISBN underscore number, right? Let's check. Oh no, there is another. No, I forgot this jaw Paul. Okay, I made a mistake here. Battery is running low. I don't know why is the battery running low. It's not running low anymore. There is another clause, another and clause. I don't know if we can put brackets here, but I would surely try this one. So right, so we can segregate it. Where where is the name, right? Okay, so book underscore authors, right? That is x dot author. Hmm. So we are doing this now. So I don't think we need to specify the relation. We can directly write a author underscore f name equals to Joe, and author underscore l name equals to it. Okay, so it is Joe Paul here, Joe Paul, and here is Mueller, Mueller. Let's check. 100 on 100. Really good. Practice question 4. This question asks us to write a SQL query to find the titles of books, okay, published by McGraw-Hill Publications, Education. Okay, only two, pointers. So let's move. McGraw-Hill. So how would we reach McGraw-Hill? Published, right? So there has to be something published. Okay, book catalog, publisher. You can find it from book catalog, publisher. Okay, so we would be needing only single one, right? Control A, backspace. As you can see, I have already written the codes for bonus marks, but I would be writing it right now. Let's write our usual select from and where clause. So where would be let's fill out the from, right? Let's fill out the from clause first. It is book catalog, right? Book underscore cata log cata log catalog. We will be taking it from book catalog uh, as x, where book catalog, where clause would have us with publisher equals to single quotes, not double quotes, single quotes McGraw Hill publication. Let's, if we can copy it, I would simply put it here. Okay, good. It saves us much time. Control V. McGraw Hill education. What do we need? We need to select title, right? We need to select title to give out the tuples inside it. X dot title. Okay, Welcome, Anant. Okay, so even this is 100 on 100. Right, good. Let's go to the final question. PQ5. Before I go there, Anant, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So, as you have joined late, if you want to watch the questions that we just did, that is question number 1 to 4, you can go on my YouTube channel and you can just watch it. I have recorded. Actually, I am live streaming it right now, so that you can.
Okay, no problem. I'll see that.
Okay. So, are you familiar with the basics of this DBMS?
Yes, yes, I am.
Okay. So that means that I can directly jump on question number 5 then.
Yes.
Right. Right. Uh, Now this question asks us to write a SQL statement to display the first name and the last name. Right. Actually, these are two, so I think let me break it down here. Right. We have 2 pointers here. One pointer this and one pointer first name and other pointer last name. The third pointer would be of student f name, student f student f name, student l name. That is the third pointer, and the last pointer is pursuing pg course. So we have 4 pointers. Let's start with our basics, or let's write our you know select from and where clauses. So let's fill out the from clause first. From clause, that is to first and last name of students. Okay, first and last name of students. Okay, so are they pursuing PG courses or not? Is there something regarding courses? Is there a table that specify courses, or would it just be here, right here, pursuing PG courses, right? So find courses, find a attribute named courses. Department code degree. Okay, I think this degree is course. This degree one would tell us about the course. Check if you can. If is there something? Is there some table containing this course? I don't think we have one. So what we would be using is just this one, the single students data set. So let's start. The table, the relation that we would be using is students one, right? From the students one, we would be taking out what students f name and students l name, right? So let's put this as x. uh, s- Stops us from wasting time, prevents time waste. Okay, x dot student student underscore f name, comma x dot student underscore l name. Okay, and there's a where clause. Okay, so the where is PG courses, right? So the degree should be PG, where degree is degree is PG, right? Let's start. Let's see. Let's submit. Always click on submit. I rather emphasize it first. Okay, always click on submit. Okay, where did I make a mistake? Incorrect. Select. Okay, there is incorrect. So I don't think we need to specify the table, as from clause already specifies which table we are using. We only need to specify the attribute here. Okay, we need to specify only when we are making Cartesian product, as in question number 1. It's still wrong. Incorrect. Select clause student underscore l name, student underscore f name. What's wrong? Can anyone find where did I make a mistake? Students underscore student underscore f name, comma student underscore l name. Where am I making a mistake? From students, let's remove this x, right? Let's remove this x. Let's see. Let's see. Incorrect. Select query. It's still the same. The belong will be owned by NJ. The also own the surplus. The data will be initialized. Data will be disabled. Okay. Mm-hmm. It is PG here. Where am I going wrong? Display the first name and the last name of a student pursuing this. Let me check where am I going wrong. Okay, let me check one more thing. I think we need to go and check this data that they have given us. Resources from instructor. Let's see resources from instructor. Okay, we are using the dataset LIS. Oh, PG. Okay, so MCA. The thing that I have seen here is MCA is a PG course. MCA is a PG course. Okay. UG PG 12. Is there some other data telling us which courses are UG and which courses are PG? Hmm. I don't know. Let's just put it here. It is week 3 nano. We are doing week 2. Week 2. Practice question 5. So the MCA degree is a PG course. MCA. Let's see if this works or not. So this works. This works. This bingo. This works. But this is not quite a good explanation for this, because we had to go and search this this data set that they have provided us. I don't know if in examination will they give it to us or not. Okay, so let me end the session here because I have recorded all the 5 questions. uh, I would be coming up with week 3 soon. Till then, sayonara.